Houthi rebels backed by Iran control most of the population there. The Yemeni government, which is helped by a Saudi-led coalition, has been carrying out a bombing campaign in support of the internationally recognised government. And a warning, this story contains distressing images.
Every breath is a struggle, and he is dangerously thin. Mohammed Ammar is 12 months old, but too weak to hold his head up. He's in the grip of severe acute malnutrition. Mohammed needs to go to hospital urgently. His mother, Huria, knows, but can do nothing.
أكيد منشان ابني أيوة بس يعني كانوا حولوني بس ما معيش يعني مانيش مستطيع معي 4 وهذا الخامس الحمد لله يعني يقولوا لنا السكة يعني نحن نمشي حالنا.
This rural clinic couldn't provide transport for Mohammed. We were able to give mother and baby a lift to the hospital an hour away. Malnutrition was entrenched in Yemen before the war, but has increased every year since. At Khalifa Hospital, doctors do what they can. They say Mohammed's weight is about half what it should be.
But there is a lot of baby cannot reach to our hospital. So this is the problem.
Those causes are complex, but don't include lack of food in the markets. There's plenty to buy, but many can't afford it. 6 years of conflict have taken their toll. Food prices have risen about 140%. The Yemeni currency has collapsed, along with the economy. And the youngest here are heartbreakingly vulnerable.
Her name is Ghada Walid. She came because of acute gastroenteritis. She's 4 months old.
Tiny Ghada is deteriorating rapidly in the southern city of Aden. For her mother, Ibtida, displaced by the war, seeing her like this, rigid with pain, is another trauma. Ghada has severe acute malnutrition and is running a high fever. Dr. Maha Suleiman tries to cool down her tiny body with a cold cloth. Some of Ghada's test results come back. It's not good news.
It's very hard and painful. And we have even no time to change the sheet of the bed. Just to change the sheet, and another patient is just coming.
As the spectre of famine hangs over Yemen, those in need are getting less food aid because of cuts in international donations. The UN says Yemenis are not starving, they are being starved. Since we filmed these pictures, Ghada has died.